Post quantum cryptography. Do I worry? Even upgrade to? As I see, those warnings are coming day by day, and it is increasing as all of my servers after 2022 are giving this kind of warnings. As I see this server, I have SSH into this server. It is not giving me the warning, but when I switch to Ubuntu 20, it is giving me the warning that connection is not using a post quantum key exchange algorithm. What is it? Do I worry? Let's discuss in deep dive. If I follow this link, I see there is something written on post quantum cryptography. Before I start, let me give you the final answer. RSA is enough. It's better you go with ED25519. Now let's dig deep. Password is the least but basic security while connecting to a remote system, especially with SSH. That was the reason why we created DSA. Later on, RSA and ED25519. Why do I think ED25519 is still okay? Before that, let's jump into the terminal and type SSH KYGEN SSH keygen space dash T specified by the DSA or RSA or my favorite ED25519 dash C. Many of us used to write like this one car@siliconpin.com. So each and every one of us, nearly 99% of the developers tends to write their email as this is the identification. But in my case, I have literally thousands of virtual servers and physical servers. So I need much more variations. So this is the command. Like if I continue, it would be generating a SSH key pair, one for public key, another for private. Password can be guessed or brute force, but SSH key is mathematical wall. We think computers are good at computing or even mathematics. That is not true. That is the reason why SSH key is based on cryptography and cryptography is based on mathematics. Remember, as the password, you also can mishandle the SSH keys also. There is no proof of SSH key being broke. There is some claim like some SSH keys are very weak. Like if I search, is there any real event of SSH key break, DSA, RSA, or even ED25519? I don't see any mention. Even in my past experience, I did not even find one single instance claiming that SSH key is been broken. Yes, there are some instances like mishandling, leaking, or even sharing private keys. Yes, GitHub's private SSH key even was exposed. So those are people's mistake, not the technology itself. Let's take a simplest example. Multiplication of two prime numbers. One is 10007, another is 10069. What do we get? We get 100760483. Now we have three numbers. Suppose I provide any two numbers to a computer. That means digital computer or any kind of computer in that matter. Whatever is an analog computer, digital computer, or supercomputer, or even quantum computer. Till the date, if we give those any two numbers, these two, or even these two, any two numbers we give, it will be a time consuming mathematical calculation and it grows exponentially as the number grows. Then it becomes expensive and time consuming to break it. Now we know digital computers suck at math. Let's discuss about simulation. Generic digital computers also weak at simulation. There are various type of simulation, gene or even air dynamics, but quantum computers are very good at it. In terms of simulation, quantum computer gets a better performance. Better means much better, like multifold better. Most importantly, Google declared quantum supremacy in 2019 by doing some problem solving. But it is important to remember theoretical problem solving, not real world application or even problems. So it is a guess that quantum computers will be so efficient in number crunching in near future, let's say 5 or 10 years. What I understand, even quantum computers met the number crunching criteria we have failed to ban. What I understand, even the quantum computer met the number crunching criteria we have failed to ban. Some of us think it will be clever enough to break in one go. That I do not buy. Next topic is hardware based self destructible file system. So it's important you do not mishandle keys, as digital keys can be copied without a trace. Glory to ED25519 and